Hi everyone, I just want to give a quick shout out to all the lovely Thai people out there because today we are making a classic Thai papaya salad. This salad is sweet, tangy, and spicy, but it's also refreshing and light as well. Traditionally, this salad is prepared in a large clay mortar with a wooden pestle, but since I do not own one, and I know that many of you probably do not own one as well, we're going to make this salad Emily style. So instead of a clay mortar, I'm simply going to be using a large mixing bowl. And instead of the wooden pestle, I'm going to be using my tall Starbucks coffee mug. The Starbucks coffee mug has more than one purpose in this home. Before using it as a pestle though, I'm going to place the Starbucks mug in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Alright, now we are ready. Let's get started making the salad. You will first need an unripened green papaya, and you will also need to peel off its skin. So slice the papaya in half lengthwise, and then cut off a little bit on the end so that it can stand upright. Scrape out the seeds and discard them. Then use the knife to peel off the green skin. Next, you're going to need this handy dandy tool, which is a papaya peeler. This is what we're going to use to peel the papaya. You should be able to find this at your local Asian market, but if not, you can go to my website at www.eatwithemily.com and order it as well. You'll find the link at the top of the recipe page. Once you have shredded the papaya, immediately place it in a bowl of ice water to keep it crispy. Then drain the papaya and just leave it in the colander until it is dry. Next, we are going to work on the dried shrimp. Just soak the dried shrimp in some hot water for about 10 minutes to soften them, then drain them and set them aside. Now, the first ingredients to go into the mixing bowl will be the garlic and Thai chilies. You can throw them in whole if you like, but I personally prefer to give them a rough chop before I place them in the mixing bowl. This way, I don't have to do so much pounding and mashing. Next, use a knife to shade the palm sugar like so. Then add the shavings to the mixing bowl, and this, my friends, is where the Starbucks cup comes in handy. You're going to use it to mash the palm sugar. And these here are some Chinese long beans. Cut them into 1.5 inch pieces. Add them to the mixing bowl and then pound them until they are slightly bruised. With the roasted peanuts, you can toss them in whole, but I like to break them apart first before adding them to the mixing bowl. Along with the crushed roasted peanuts, we're also going to add in the dried shrimp as well. We're now going to add the rest of the liquids: the fish sauce, the tamarind concentrate, and the lime juice. Take a large spoon and just stir everything together. I prefer to use cherry tomatoes for this salad, but since most Asian markets around my area don't carry them, I decided to use these sweet little round tomatoes instead. And all you need to do is cut them in half lengthwise. We're almost done, guys. Add the papaya and the tomatoes to the mixing bowl and mix well with the large spoon until everything is coated with the dressing. Then lightly pound on the papaya and tomatoes until the tomatoes are slightly crushed. So here you're going to gently pound on the papaya and then use a spoon to flip the papaya over. Pound and flip, pound and flip. Only do this a few times though, because you don't want to overpound the papaya. And we're done. So simple, right? If you have the time, it is best to place the salad in the refrigerator for at least an hour to allow the flavors to marry and also to allow the green beans to soak up the dressing. Just a quick note that this salad can also be made a day ahead, and this recipe only uses half of a papaya, so with the unused portion, the next day you can make a Vimmy's papaya salad with beef jerky. It's another favorite salad of mine. When you're ready to serve the salad, you can garnish it with more of the crushed roasted peanuts if you wish. Well, that's it folks. I hope you enjoy your salad. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later, alligator. Bye!